What is up, you guys? It's Gage Wesley here, back with another video. I lied. This is my first video, so I'm going to bring you guys kind of through a trade recap, why I took the trade, how I felt, stuff like that. This was actually yesterday. I filmed it, but I actually pressed start streaming instead of start recording, so that's on me. But yeah, I'm going to bring you guys through like kind of a trade recap, what we had for news, kind of just like my overall thought process of how I took the trade, why I took the trade, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right to it. All right, so as you guys can tell, the weekly profile looked as to be a midweek reversal, right? We have, Monday and Tuesday, we're kind of rebalancing to this inefficiency right here. Can't close over this candle, we reverse. On the 1 hour, obviously we have this huge candle that I'm not really sure why that is. I think it was tariffs, I'm not too sure. We have this volume imbalance. We kind of closed this volume imbalance, so not really too important. But I see we put in this SMT, right? So ES lags, NQ takes out this level. We put in an SMT, so I want to see lower prices. We create this 1 hour imbalance, and here's where we kind of get into the morning, right? So as you guys can tell, this is the power of three, right? The accumulation, manipulation. I wanted to see us take out the sell side. So if we would have taken out the sell side, pair it with an SMT, I want to see us distribute higher, right? That's the power of three, and that is my model. But since coming in a market open, we did not take out this key level. This is external sell side, right? This is a high time frame. This is a very prominent key level. I want to see price take this out, right? So coming in a market open, we never took this out on ES or NQ. So this was kind of a nice key level that I want to see get hit. We're overall bearish. We have lower prices. We have a higher time frame SMT. We have, you know what I mean? Like this is the power of three, right? We have accumulation. We manipulate, tap into this high time frame key level, then we distribute lower. So I wanted to see the sell side get taken, but we never did, right? So it was kind of weird. Market open was a little bit weird. We take out this key level, but you know what I mean? This is really the external sell side that I want to see us take out. We distribute higher, and I wasn't really wanting to take longs because we never took out like a key level and paired it with an SMT. So I was just kind of waiting to see what would play out, right? Kind of tell it, like having the market tell me exactly what we're gonna do. And so I was kind of just waiting. I wasn't really looking to take a trade higher, but as we distributed higher, we just placed through this 15-minute imbalance. So it was a little weird, right? I thought the price was going to come higher, but in order for us to go lower, we need to go higher, right? And since we did take out the sell side, this is a draw that I wanted to see get hit, and we were going overall lower, mid-week reversal, kind of prices in my favor, right? So we take out this buy side. I thought that ES wasn't going to take out this, or it was either ES or NQ. I didn't want to see them take out this buy side. I thought there was going to be paired with an SMT, and I wanted to see shorts, but we come up right here, we turtle soup this high, and we take out buy side, but then we put in an SMT right here, right? So this is my model, right? Manipulation to a high time frame key level, this buy side level. We also tap into this fair value gap. We rebalance, right? We touch it, we retest, if you will, and then my model plays out, right? So we put in an SMT. We also have a high time frame SMT showing that we are going to go shorter. So we rebalance, put in this SMT, and then we see my model play out, right? We manipulate through a fair value gap, inversing previous structure. We change state. I take my trade, right? This is an A+ setup, but as I was in the trade, right? Like price was telling me kind of multiple things, right? We inverse this fair value gap coming up to take out this buy side key level. So I was a little cognizant. I was kind of I was wondering honestly what price was going to do after that. But since we took out that key level, this is my model, right? We took out this key level, put it in SMT. We also have a higher time frame SMT. So it's kind of like my internal model. We manipulated, took out this key level, paired it with an SMT, then we distributed lower. But yeah, so that's really like what that was my trade. I took partials. So at right here, this is when ES took this sell side level out. So I took partials right here. And then I could have wrote it down here, but I kind of just got out because there was reasoning price was going to go higher, right? As you can tell, we tap back into this 5-minute. ES took out this sell side key level. both high time frame confluences, so I wanted to see price could go higher, right? I think we were rebalancing, but I wasn't too sure also. You know, it was just kind of, it might have been my fault not to take it down to the sell side, but we had SMT. We tapped back into this 5-minute. Price could have gone higher, but yeah. So that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed rest of your weekend. Get off the charts. Have a good weekend. And yeah, this will be the first video, so hope you guys are staying blessed, and see you guys in the next one. Peace, jitlets!